Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is my beef uh, tacos. What you want to stuff any tortillas with are hard shell tacos. I always do my beef like this. This is chuck roast, a chuck steak. Well, there's a chuck steak. It's a chuck steak. So what I do is get the chuck steak out and season it with chili. You know, Kroger's my favorite store. Chili season mix and onions and put it in the oven and let it get real tender. Because some fajitas or some meat that you put in your tacos, beef tacos, are tough, especially when you use steak. But when you put this in the oven and let it cook about 2 hours, oh my goodness. And then you add your onions and your bell peppers and your whatever you put on there, it's fabulous. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to put the season on and we'll be right back. All right, we got all the season on the meat and we're going to put it in the oven and let this cook real tender for about 2 hours. And it'll be so tender when we eat our tortillas, whatever we eat with this, we got it, y'all. Okay, so let's wrap it all up. Now make sure every bit of this is seasoned. Seasoned all the way through that. See that? All have to be seasoned. And with the onions in there too. And we'll be right back and let you see what it looks like. All right, I just took the meat out the oven and look how tender it is. You can make your fajitas, your tacos, whatever you like, burritos. All you have to do is put this meat in a pan, add your bell peppers, your onions, garlic, whatever you want to put in your fajitas, or your tacos, or your enchiladas, whatever. The meat is already tender. Look how tender that is. And that's what you want. You want your meat to be tender. This is it. This is Sandra until you have it eaten. And thank you for coming to my channel and get these simple little recipes. This is so simple. Just season your meat, put it in the oven, let it get tender, and then you make fajitas, make your tacos, and make your burritos. That's all you have to do. This is Sandra until you have it eaten, and thank you for coming to my channel.